Alright, Menina Creations finishing up a structural topping core. We got our trusty big mixer here. We got our bonding agent on the slab. We already poured this morning. We poured that half yesterday, and we got to go down to there. Like I said, we have all kind of rebar stitching in here. It's kind of hard to see. Move right in. We saw cut it and put rebar all across the slab to structurally weld it together, and then now we got thick pencil rod wire mesh with the bonding agent bonding it to the slab. So we have a welded existing slab and a new structural thin slab. It's about an inch on top, and then we're going to put a decorative layer on top of all of this with color in it, and we're going to color that stoop too. We're going to top this front stoop. So we're done. It's going to look like it's going to be a brand new patio with all the polymers. We got bonding agent in that mix from these buckets here, and so it's a real rich mix. And so you end up with a really good topping. Our toppings are so tight you don't even need sealer because it's got all the polymers and stuff. Today's concrete with the L1 concrete, I think everybody knows it's getting a reputation. Brand new concrete, just about all of it starts to flake within the first year. That's creating an open market for restoration for stuff like this. This is not the case. It was stamped concrete with a shake-on color. It didn't pop, but they didn't use wire mesh or rebar, so the whole thing cracked all over the place. So we're mending it back together and putting a very good structural topping on top, and we do this for about half the price it would take to tear it out and replace it, especially being decorative. So that's what we have for now. We'll follow us along and we'll show you the final results when we are all finished. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.